Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken Alfredo. And thanks to my mom for this recipe because it's hers. So yeah, I have some oil, the penne pasta, but you can put whichever kind of pasta you like. Shrimp. I have black pepper, paprika, Cajun seasoning, garlic salt, and regular salt. And I have the Alfredo sauce. You can use whichever one you like. I have one green bell pepper and one red bell pepper chopped up. And I had already chopped up my chicken too before. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and season the shrimp and the chicken using all of these seasonings right here. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys what I do next. So I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning using the paprika. So here's the chicken after it's been seasoned. I'm putting it to cook now. I put some oil in there. It looks nice and red and moist. Okay. So just make sure you're stirring it up. Now that these have cooked a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and put the shrimp in since the shrimp cook really fast. Here's my shrimp. So, oh, you put the chicken in. Once everything is ready, you dump the chicken in. Now we're gonna add the sauce. And mix it. See how much there is in there. Whoa. You see how it's changing color because of all the seasonings we put up in there? And let me tell you, it tastes delicious. Go ahead and leave the sauce and all the stuff that's in there to boil for a few minutes until you notice that the little like red dots are all gone. So let that boil, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and put the sauce into the pasta. This is how it looks after. Right now. There.
Really? Okay, taste.
Act like you're tasting it. Okay. No, but don't taste it. Just make an expression.
Oh, like pretend. No.
So this is the taste test. She's gonna let me know if it's disgusting or good.
Probably disgusting.
It's good.
I give it a 5. No, I'm just kidding. It's pretty bomb.
Yeah?
Yeah, I recommend.
You recommend what? Them coming to my restaurant?
Yeah, I recommend Yani's restaurant.
Wow. You guys heard that?
Yeah, it's pretty good.